I'm Fox 4 meteorologist Cindy Pressler. Stormy day today. That frontal system will continue to slide southeast across southwest Florida. These storms will clear out later tonight. We'll have a clearing sky, but it's going to still be windy, and all this is due to a tight pressure gradient. Gusts to 30 miles per hour tomorrow. Temperatures will be cooler, though. Tonight's lows will drop into the low to mid 70s again with that clearing sky. Winds still blowing out of the southwest until tomorrow. We're going to put these showers and storms to bed, pull them out of here. Drier air pulling in behind, even though we're going to have a few scattered showers for the next couple of days with that cooler air moving in. Only a 30% chance for scattered showers on Saturday. Then Halloween looks dry, and next week just awesome. So showers and storms this evening, clearing skies overnight, temperatures falling through the 80s. Tomorrow we'll have partly cloudy skies, a windy Friday, west winds gusting to 30. Temperatures will be beautiful heading into the weekend. Full details right here on WFTX.